Hello, hello. Okay, hello, we've got the Smiggle Fantasy Advent Calendar, and I think it's a beauty calendar for young ones. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Okay, number 1. Bath soap confetti. It's a little mini nail polish. Hair chalk. Oh wow, this is cool. Oh cool, you can put it in your hair. A little bath bomb. Smiggle lip balm. Strawberry lip balm. Number 7. Oh, a little nail file. That's cute. Shower gel. So cute. Number 10. Body lotion. Hand cream. A 12.
Yeah.
Thank you. Here we go, up the top, number 13. Oh, little hair ties. They're lovely. Number 14. So cute. Number 15. Some little nail stick. It's a little lip gloss. That's so cute. Number 17. Some little hair clips. Number 18. Oh, a little scrunchie. 18. Some little earring stickers. That's so cute. 19. Oh, cool. Peel off nail polish. I think mine's peeling off now. Number 20. Little lip gloss. Number 21. Eyeshadow. That's so cute. Number 22. Wear your glitter. Oh, okay. See? Another bath bomb.
Middle.
24. Hair chalk. And number 25. A lot of them don't have a number 25, but this is exciting. And a lovely hair tie. Headband. It's beautiful. Okay, thank you. Bye.